Welcome to English Simple Learn.
My name is Ethan, and I am 15 years old. Today is a very special day for me and my family because we are going on a trip together. I am at the airport with my parents and my older sister. Her name is Sophie, and she is 17 years old. We are very excited because we are traveling to Lisbon in Portugal for our summer vacation. It is early in the morning, and the airport is already very busy. Many people are walking with suitcases and backpacks. Some people are drinking coffee, and others are looking at their phones while they wait for their flights. I can hear many different languages around me. I like airports because they make me think about adventure and new places. This is not my first time on a plane. 3 years ago, my family traveled to Athens in Greece. I remember the beautiful streets, the old buildings, and the delicious food. That trip was amazing, and I hope this vacation will also be wonderful. My mother booked a small apartment near the center of Lisbon. She showed me pictures of the apartment before our trip. It has white walls, blue windows, and a small balcony with flowers. From the balcony, we can see a quiet street with little cafes and restaurants. My mother says the apartment is close to many famous places, so we can walk almost everywhere. My parents love visiting new cities. They enjoy learning about history and culture. My father wants to visit old buildings, museums, and churches. He also wants to take many photos during the trip because photography is his favorite hobby. My mother enjoys trying local food and talking to people from different countries. She always says that traveling helps people understand the world better. My sister Sophie is very different from me. She is calm and relaxed. She loves books and music. During the vacation, she wants to spend time near the river with a book in her hands. She also wants to visit little music stores and listen to traditional Portuguese music. Sophie enjoys peaceful places and quiet afternoons. I am more energetic than my sister. I like action and fun activities. I want to visit the Lisbon Oceanarium because I love sea animals. I want to see sharks, colorful fish, and penguins. I also want to ride the famous yellow trams in the city. They look very old and beautiful in the pictures I saw online. Another thing I really want to do is try Portuguese desserts. My father told me about a famous sweet called pastel de nata. It is a small pastry with cream inside. He says it is delicious with hot chocolate or coffee. I cannot wait to taste it for the first time. While we wait for our flight, my father buys sandwiches and juice for everyone. We sit together near a large window and we watch the airplanes outside. Some planes are arriving and others are leaving. The sky is clear and blue today, and the weather is warm. I feel happy and relaxed. Soon, we hear an announcement from the airport speakers. It is time to board our plane. My mother checks our tickets again, and we walk slowly to the gate. There are many passengers in line. Some people look tired, but others look excited, like me. When I enter the plane, I look for my seat near the window. I always choose the window seat because I love looking at the clouds and the cities below. My sister sits next to me, and my parents sit behind us. The flight attendants smile and welcome everyone onto the plane. A few minutes later, the plane starts moving. I feel a little nervous during takeoff, but I also feel excited. The plane moves faster and faster, and suddenly we are in the air. Through the window, I can see buildings becoming smaller and smaller. Soon, everything below looks tiny. After some time, we are above the clouds. The view is beautiful. The clouds look soft and white like snow. Sophie listens to music with her headphones while reading a book. My mother looks at a travel guide about Lisbon, and my father takes pictures from the window. During the flight, we talk about the things we want to do in Portugal. My mother wants to visit a big market with fresh fruit, bread, and seafood. My father wants to see a famous tower called Belém Tower. Sophie wants to watch the sunset near the river. I want to explore every part of the city and take many photos for my social media. 2 hours later, the plane finally lands in Lisbon. Everyone claps softly, and I smile because our vacation is beginning. Inside the airport, I can feel the warm air. People are smiling, and the atmosphere feels friendly. Outside the airport, we take a taxi to our apartment. During the ride, I look out the window all the time. Lisbon is beautiful. The streets are colorful, and many buildings have pretty tiles on the walls. I can also see hills, small cafes, and old trams moving slowly through the city. When we arrive at the apartment, the owner welcomes us with a big smile. He gives us the keys and shows us the rooms. The apartment is even nicer than the pictures online. My sister immediately goes to the balcony to enjoy the view. My father opens the windows to let in fresh air, and my mother starts organizing our bags. After a short rest, we decide to walk around the neighborhood. The streets are full of life. Musicians are playing songs near the restaurants, and tourists are taking pictures everywhere. We stop at a small bakery, and finally, I try a pastel de nata. It is warm, sweet, and delicious. I eat 2 of them because they are so good. That evening, we sit together near the river and watch the sunset. The sky becomes orange, pink, and purple. Boats move slowly on the water, and people laugh and talk around us. I feel peaceful and happy. I know this trip will become one of my favorite memories. I want to discover new places, taste new food, and spend time with my family. Traveling is exciting because every day brings something different and special. I hope the weather stays sunny during our vacation because I want to explore the city every day. I do not like rainy days, especially when I am traveling. But today, everything feels perfect, and I cannot wait for tomorrow's adventures in Lisbon. Thank you for watching our Easy English story. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, write a comment, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy English stories and listening practice every week. See you in the next adventure.